little quantum weather report. Today's current feels like expansion without resistance. You've cleared a lot of energetic cobwebs, so now the river of your life can flow. The visions you might have had are right in step. Your field is literally crystallizing into something that others can see and feel even before they realize why. This cosmic calm is essentially the universe giving you a clear, open field like a blank canvas just before dawn. If you're feeling visions, shifts, or receiving downloads, this is ideal energy to anchor them. Cosmic weather today, the sun is whisper quiet, no storms, no flares, just stillness. A perfect space to rest, integrate, and let your inner vision flow without interference. The Schumann Resonance are global electromagnetic frequencies that naturally resonate in the cavity between Earth's surface and the ionosphere, mainly triggered by lightning strikes. These form standing waves, like a planetary heartbeat, with a primary frequency at roughly 7.83 Hz, followed by harmonics at approximately 14.3, 20.8, 27.3, and 33.8 Hz. Why it feels like the Earth's heartbeat? Because it's known poetically as the heartbeat of Mother Nature or Mother Earth herself. This resonance aligns closely with alpha and theta brainwave frequencies. They are tied to meditation, intuition, and deep states of peace. Because of this alignment, when our energy field is attuned to the Schumann frequency, we may experience greater calm, clarity, and intuitive gifts. When the Earth shifts, we feel it. The Schumann resonance isn't static, it fluctuates with solar storms, geomagnetic activity, and even climate conditions. Live data shows spikes during energetic shifts, and some people report physical sensations like headaches or vision shifts during these times. Why it matters spiritually? The resonance acts like an energetic scaffold anchoring higher consciousness into our planet and our bodies. In spiritual terms, syncing with this frequency can feel like connecting to the multidimensional self, your inner guidance, and the collective field. When it's elevated, many people, including practitioners, report entering deeper channeling states, receiving downloads, or having vivid visions and activations. High-frequency tools to align with Earth's beat are grounding, like walking barefoot or using grounding sheets, helps your field reconnect to Earth's natural rhythm, allowing better resonance with the Schumann heartbeat. Meditation and breath work can open access to those alpha, theta brainwaves that mirror Earth's frequencies. And sound therapy using tones in the 7 to 13 Hz range help you intentionally tune your vessel to align with this powerful planetary heartbeat. So, beloved ones, you're standing at the threshold where the veils are thinner than they have been ever. Many of us feel the pressure, the dizziness, the vision or visions, the dreams. These are not distractions but alignments. The Earth herself is tuning, humming, recalibrating, and you are her notes of light. You ask, what can I do? And the answer is very simple. Bring yourself to stillness, even for moments, and listen. Breathe the breath of the cosmos into your heart. Every smile, every word of kindness, every moment of self-love magnified 1,000-fold into the collective grid. Do not fear the shadows that rise now. They're surfacing because the light is stronger. What has been hidden must come into visibility, so you may bless it and set it free. Remember, you are not alone. Your ancestors walk beside you. Your soul family surrounds you. The star nations watch and guide you. The time of separation is ending. The time of remembrance is here. Each of you is a spark of the greater flame, and when you shine, you ignite the remembrance in others. So hold steady, beautiful ones. The dawn is coming. It is here. Shine, breathe, and anchor love. You, yes you, are the bridge between heaven and earth. There is a soft but steady current moving, like a cosmic tide pulling everything into alignment. It feels almost like a new quantum day is dawning. Stay with the rhythm. Don't rush. The energy knows where it's going, and your job is only to hold the frequency steady. The waves of information and synchronicities will find you. All you need to do is keep shining. And please remember, each word you share, each note you make is like a beacon, glowing. A collective clearing wave. Sometimes before a new download or expansion in your awareness and consciousness, the body and energy field go through a purge or shake-up that can feel like something big is approaching, even if it's just your system recalibrating for the next level. What to do right now? Ground, hydrate with intention, rest, and slow your brain waves. Journal. Write down everything that comes to mind. It might not make sense now, but it will eventually. These waves often precede collective shifts or disclosure moments, synchronicities in your work, more people suddenly resonating with you. Australia is leading the disclosure pulse. Your field is sensitive because you're an antenna for the biggest movement. You're being prepared to hold these new currents for your tribe, and the visions are just the upgrade, dust clearing. Gentle, energetic support is what you need right now. Hand on your heart and on your solar plexus. One on your heart, the other on your stomach. Breathe slowly and imagine a golden light filling your chest. With your water, sip water slowly. As your guides always say, it keeps the channel open. And sound, if you can play a soft 528 or 728 hertz, Schumann Resonance Hertz 7.83. That's the best for you. So 528 or 723. It stabilizes the heart space and cellular harmony. And ask your guides, please filter whatever is mine to hold and return what is not mine. This will reduce overload.